Okie dokie, for this lesson, we are going to be talking about the value and the place of a digit, because each digit of a number has a value and a place. Now, the value is what it is worth. Is it worth 200? Is it worth 2 million? Is it worth 2,000? How much is it worth? The place is the name of the place that it's in. So it might be in the 10,000s place, might be in the hundreds place. Okay? So this 8 right here is in the 100,000s place, and because of that, its value is 800,000. This 2 is in the hundreds place. Its value is 200. Now, if you're not sure what its value is, think about how many zeros you need to write after it to put it in its proper place. For example, this 6 right here is in the 10,000s place. If I look, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 places after it. So I would need to put 4 zeros to make sure it ends up in the 10,000s place, giving me its value of 60,000. Or I can think 6 10,000s. Well, 6 tens is 60, so 6 10,000s would be 60,000. All right. So if we look at some numbers here, some more examples. In 670,932, the value of the digit 6 is, okay, well, the value is how much it's worth. I can see it in the 100,000s place. That's its place, though. So I would think, okay, 6, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places after it. So that's how many zeros I need after it to make sure it ends up in the 100,000 place. Because 6 in the 100,000s is worth 600,000. That's its value. This next question is asking, in 937,016, the digit blank is in the hundreds place. I always start at the right and say, okay, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. But memorize that order or have it nearby if you need it. So we're looking for the hundreds. So ones, tens, hundreds means a 0. That looks an awful lot like a 6. Let me quick erase that and make it more clear that I'm talking about 0 is in the hundreds place. So that's the place that it's in. Number 3, in 124,573, the digit in the 100,000s place is blank. Okay, well, let's start and count. We have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. 1 is in the 100,000s place. Number 4, in 971,465, the digit 6 is in the blank place. Okay, we have tens. I did that the other video. Ones is first, then we have tens. So the 6 is in the tens place. This last number 5, in 289,219, the digit 8 is in the blank place. So again, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Now maybe you don't need to count, or maybe you start at the thousands place and go from there. But if you need to count every time, that's fine. So digit 8 is in the 10,000s place. Now, state the value of the digit 2. So a lot of those were just the place. So now we're stating the value of the digit 2. So this one, we have the 2 in the thousands place. So it is the value is 2,000. Number 7, it's in the 100,000s place. So I have 200,000 is its value. Remember, I can count and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places after. So I need to put 5 zeros to make sure it ends up in the right place. Here we have the 2 here. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 to put my comma in the right spot. So the value is 20,000 because it's in the 10,000s place, and 2 10,000s is 20,000. Now it says for each number, state the place the digit 2 is in. So we always have to read really carefully and see what it's asking. Okay, here it's in the thousands place. Here we have it in the hundred thousands place. I'm going to abbreviate this one. It's fine if you want to do that. And then here we have in the 10,000s place. So we can use what we were just doing to write it in expanded form. Expanded form is just where we write each value separately. So we break a number apart. So this number we have here, we just broke it up by the value of each digit separately. What's the value of the 3? 300,000. What's the value of the 8? 80,000, etc., etc. So we have each number represented. The 4 is worth 400, the 9 is worth 90, and then the 2 is just worth 2. If we have a 0, we don't have to write it, but you could leave a 0 in one of the spaces. All right, so you're taking the values and just writing them together. So if we're looking for what's missing, well, I know I have that 7. Looks like I'm missing the next digit, which is the 6. So what's the value of the 6? 6. I have 4 places after it. Or I can say 1 place, a comma, and then the 3 zeros after. So 60,000, then the 1,902. This next one, we're missing the very first digit, and the 1 in that first spot is worth 100,000. So then we have 20,000, 4,000, 3. Here we have 900,000. Notice these 2 zeros are not represented over here, and that's fine. Then we have 300. Ooh, the next one is the missing one, so that 5. What's the value of the 5? Well, it is 50, and 6 at the end. Now this can continue with millions. We just added on the millions place. That is all. So 1 million, the digit 1 stands for 1 million. The value is 1 million. Stands for and value means the same thing. It's in the millions place. The digit 4 is in the 10,000s place. 9 is in the thousands place. So it's really the same as what we were just doing. We just put millions on there now too. So we have a number that includes millions. So it's asking me what digit is in the millions place. Well, that is the one to the left of that second comma, if we're reading from the right, like with our commas. So 7 is in the millions place. The digit 2 stands for, so that's asking the value, stands for 200,000. And the digit 9 is in the what place. So I can count, okay, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. It's in the middle of that thousands period. The number in the middle of the period is always the 10. So 10,000s place. And that is all for place and value. Good luck practicing.